partnering with ZEISS is more than just a transaction. You're not just buying a device and then someone comes and shows you how to use it and goes off. It's an ongoing relationship.
One thing I can tell for sure, the surgeon who start in cooperation with ZEISS can rely on support from the first days of the surgeries.
ZEISS team supported a lot. It was application support, it was spatial training, and also improvement of laser setting data.
The technical service that we get from ZEISS is amazing. They're quick to get here. If parts need replacing or exchanging, if there's any question or problem or issue that we might have, we have instant access. And they do it with a smile. They're really nice people.
To me, it was a no-brainer making sure that our equipment is well maintained, that we get regular maintenance, having service contracts, because if a machine goes down and you don't have the ability to get it serviced quickly, it's going to impact patient flow, it's going to impact your day. And so I think having that service is extremely important.
Pada tahap awal, kami mengalami kesulitan dalam menjelaskan ekstraksi lentikula dengan smile kepada pasien kami. Dalam hal ini, ZEISS benar-benar membantu saya dan staf saya dengan pengetahuan yang diperlukan untuk memberikan konsultasi yang tepat kepada pasien. Proses komunikasi sangat terbantu dan dipermudah dengan berbagai materi edukasi yang disediakan oleh ZEISS.
Counseling refractive patients, it's quite challenging, but became much easier with the right tools.
Before we had the ZEISS Practice Development Consulting Program, the main challenge for us was how to get more patients for the refractive procedures. We've trained our call center agents, technicians, and optometrists, so they all understood the workflow. With the marketing, I think PDC is very helpful. It has really improved our business.
The service that I get from Carl ZEISS is second to none. It's a great company to work with.